Nestled between the borders of Germany, France, and Switzerland, Basel is a city where cultures collide, creating a kaleidoscope of experiences that are as diverse as they are fascinating. A city where the Rhine River gently meanders through medieval old town streets and centuries-old houses stand shoulder to shoulder with cutting-edge modern architecture. This is Basel, a city that effortlessly bridges the gap between the past and the future. As our journey begins, we first find ourselves in the heart of Basel, the Marktplatz. This bustling square, a hub of activity, hums with the energy of daily life. Here, you can find everything from fresh produce to handcrafted souvenirs, a testament to Basel's vibrant local culture. From the Marktplatz, a short stroll takes us to the Basel Minster, an awe-inspiring cathedral boasting a history that stretches back over 1,000 years. From its towering spires to its intricately carved stone facades, every inch of this Gothic masterpiece tells a story of Basel's rich history. Next, we venture into Basel's museum district, home to an array of world-class museums. Among them stands the Kunstmuseum, the oldest public art collection in the world. Its walls house works from masters such as Picasso, Van Gogh, and Monet, making it a treasure trove for art enthusiasts. Moving away from the heart of the city, we journey to the district of Kleinbasel. Known for its vibrant nightlife, this district is a melting pot of cultures, offering everything from traditional Swiss restaurants to trendy bars and clubs. Lastly, we find ourselves at the banks of the Rhine River. In the summertime, the river becomes a favorite spot for locals and visitors alike, who bask in the sun, enjoy a refreshing swim, or simply watch as the world floats by. To summarize our journey through Basel, we started at the bustling Marktplatz, experienced the architectural grandeur of the Basel Minster, delved into the rich art collection at the Kunstmuseum, explored the vibrant district of Kleinbasel, and finally relaxed by the Rhine River. This is Basel, a city that is more than just a destination. It's a cultural collision, a historical treasure, an art lover's paradise, a gastronomical delight, and a place that feels like home no matter where you're from. So, the next time you're planning a trip, remember Basel, a city where every corner is a new adventure and every moment is a memory waiting to be made.